Hello guys, so September 6th, what happened in history? We missed to upload this yesterday because we were doing many other videos. Watch this India that is Bharat video. 2-3 episodes will come for that. So already I've explained like ancient to medieval to modern, what are the different name changes which happened of India and what is the different accepted one, constitutionally what is correct. All those things are discussed. Okay, so now Krishna Janmashtami, September 6 to September 7 as per the timings, Indian calendar kind of timings. So that whoever is celebrating, you would be already knowing this. So that is one importance of September 6. Then DULEEP Singh, the youngest son of Maharaj Ranjith Singh of Punjab was born on this particular day. Okay, in Spectrum textbook and all, you will study a lot of things about Maharaj Ranjith Singh and wars which he fought. So DULEEP Singh is also important. Okay, then 1889, Sharat Chandra Bose birth anniversary. Okay, so this and all, you don't have to remember the dates. Okay, but these personalities UPSC have asked in one form or the other. So I'm just referring you or reminding you so that in your preparation, whenever you come across these names, take it seriously. Okay, that is the intention of this series. Then Prasar Bharati bill was passed in Parliament and it became Prasar Bharati Broadcasting Corporation of India Act. That bill will become an act. And then September 15, 1997, it officially came into effect. Okay, so this is a bill and the organization thing. The Doordarshan channel and All India Radio and all is existing much before this. Okay, so many certain things which you see like GK, don't try to remember the dates. But these topics, make sure that you have at least a paragraph reading kind of knowledge. Okay, at least basics, because in mains and all these things won't come. But in prelims, sometimes it will come as an option or something which can help you eliminate and all. Then you know section 377 of IPC code I explained you while doing the editorials. So that was struck down by the Supreme Court on this date, September 6th, 2018, and told homosexuality is no longer a crime. Okay. Even now, I think in the Marriage Act and all, it's still not allowed, and their marriage, I don't know whether it's approved or not, but they having any sexual relation, even after being the same sexual orientation, it is allowed. That is, the court has agreed it. Okay. Then Swaziland gains independence from British. Okay. So that is 1973. And after that, you know, these countries, the Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia and all, which is near to the Baltic Sea and all, these countries got independence from the Soviet Union. You know, USSR was one country, and in 1991 they started disintegrating into many countries. And over the last few days episodes, I would have told multiple countries getting independence. These three got together on September 6, 1991. Now September 6, 2007, Israel conducts Operation Orchard in Syria. So again, these operations which happened in multiple places, at least after 1980s and all, the names are important. Okay, so Operation Orchard is something which is conducted by Israel in Syria. Okay, they first time admitted that they bombed a nuclear reactor in Syria in 2007. Okay, and they even not only told, they released the footages, the photographs and everything, intelligence documents related to that airstrike which they did in that Al-Kubar facility near Deir el-Zor in eastern Syria. The places which comes right in Middle East or Africa and all, very small city names it will be, but still UPSC is asking it. So if it is in news, don't by heart every city now. Whatever is in news because of civil war, terrorist attack or any development, any floods, anything happens, the city names are asked. So please learn that. Now NASA's robotic lunar explorer is there, LADEE. Now because you know Chandrayaan 3 has been successful, many more space related questions are expected in both prelims and mains. Last few years UPSC had stopped asking it, but because this year onwards we have this Chandrayaan and Aditya 1 and then Venus mission will come, many things are going to come. Space questions can come back, so start preparing for this also. So NASA's robotic lunar LADEE was rocketed into space on this particular date in 2013. Okay. Now these test series and all, please come and WhatsApp me immediately. Individual packs or combo packs, the offers will be ending, so you can WhatsApp me and get it. And regarding these goodies and all, we will announce on this thing. Okay, announce in YouTube itself. You can wait for that. Okay, for some people it will be free, some people it will be for a charge, some people will get a discount. It varies of like how closer you are associated with Vysh IAS. Okay, the more closer you are, the more things you will be getting. Okay, so that you can just wait for the thing and wait for our editorials also. Okay, make sure you watch all the editorials which is already done. Okay, so I'll wind up this. Thank you and have a nice day.